Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we TOTD, right? Okay, and I'm first in today, and I'm gonna tell you what the meaning of vocab. Bismillah. Hah? Vocabulary. Okay, let me start. Bro. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary in Indonesian is main vocabulary is kosakata. Vocabulary is all the word used in language in general. Bro. Wait. In general or a particular field in particular, the word vocabulary itself comes from the Latin word, namely vocabulum, which means to name, to call, or to name. Okay? And what the meaning of vocab? Vocabulary is also known as word stock, collection of words, lexicon, and lexis. However, vocabulary is different from grammar, even though they are both important in English. Difference between vocabulary and grammar lies the understanding where vocabulary is a vocabulary, while grammar is a grammar. Both a vocabulary and grammar are need to able to compose effective and efficient English sentences. By mastering vocabulary, it will be a easier for you to find the right word according to the context. Meanwhile, by mastering grammar, you can make a grammatically correct synthesis. Okay, continue again. Types of vocabulary. Repeat after me.
Yes, okay.
Active vocabulary.
Active vocabulary.
Passive vocabulary.
Passive vocabulary.
Expressive vocabulary.
Expressive vocabulary.
Receptive vocabulary.
Receptive vocabulary.
It's the type of vocabulary and in the explain. Active vocabulary is a collection of words that are understood and used when speaking and reading in everyday life. And the passive vocabulary is our word that we may recognize but are not commonly used in the normal communication. Understand? You not see. Okay, and the three is expressive vocabulary. Expressive vocabulary is the vocabulary we use to express our thought, namely the word we use in speaking and reading. And the fourth is receptive vocabulary. Receptive vocabulary is the vocabulary that we understand in the reading and listening, or all the vocabulary that we process when receiving information. Okay? Vocabulary, material, and topic. Number 1. Connotation, namely additional meaning to a word. For example, the word blue or a blue is often used to describe the meaning of sadness. Okay, number 2. Synonyms and antonyms, namely words with the same and opposite meaning. For example, clever, smart, and intelligent are synonymous with each other and mean why you smart. Smart and the word to right and false, wrong, and the antonyms to each or the other. Okay. Okay, number 3, root of the word, namely the basic word before adding the prefix and suffix. For example, the word act is the basic word for acting an actor. I forgot to delete this. Number 4 is prefix and suffix, namely prefix and suffix. For example, an in the word unhappy, prefix and man in the word and the same suffix. Number 5 is phrasal verb, which are verbs that consist of 2 words. For example, the word wake up, which means wake up. Number 6, collocation, which are words that are almost always used together. For example, the word pay and attention in the pay attention. I'm sorry. Number 7, idioms. You know the idioms? No. Idiom is which are group of words that create a content meaning that is different from the literal meaning of each. For example, it's a piece of cake, which means it's an easy thing. Okay. Tips and when to learn vocabulary. Repeat after me.
Yes. Okay.
Number 1, interest your English reading.
Increase your English reading.
Interest your English reading.
Increase your English reading.
Number 2,
Number 2.
take advantage of social media.
Take advantage of social media.
If watching a video, change subtitle to English.
Like watching, change subtitles to English.
Number 4,
Number 4.
use vocabulary games.
Use vocabulary games.
Number 5,
Number 5.
create a blog or journal in English.
Create a blog or journal in English.
The all is 2 tips and ways to learn vocabulary.
Repeat until all together.
Repeat. Repeat after me.
Yes, okay.
Tips and way to learn vocabulary.
Tips and ways to learn vocabulary.
Number 1, interest your English reading.
Number 1. Increase your English reading.
Number 2, take advantage of social media.
Social media.
Number 3, if watching video, change subtitle to English.
Like watching video, change subtitles to English.
Number 4, use vocabulary games.
Use vocabulary again.
Number 5, create a blog or journal in English.
Create a blog or journal in English.
That's all 2 tips and ways to learn vocabulary. I want to you memorize because in question. Okay. The conclusion is vocabulary is a collection of words that a person has in a particular language. Vocabulary usually developed with age and serves as a useful tool for communication and acquiring knowledge. Learning vocabulary is seen as a strategy to improve language skill and cooperation. I don't know what to say. Okay, thank you. In is my TOTD, and after this, question. Yes. Wait. A question. What are the types of vocabulary? Just one. This one.
Pasif.
Passive what?
Passive vocabulary.
Right. Okay, you, Ryan, what? Not same.
Active vocabulary.
Okay, that's right.
Wow.
Habib, This one. This one. Come on. This one. Come on. Stop. Wow.
Oh, ano?
Expression vocabularies.
That's right. Good boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vocabularies.
The question is just two, ya, guys. Yeah. Last. How to learn vocabulary? Two.
Watching with language English.
Okay, one again.
Kodi. Make a blog or journal in English
And
and using game vocabularies.
so smart. Okay.
Already used.
Okay. That's all from me for TOTD. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kodli Reza Jaki.
Wait.